Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes, and today I'm going to show you how to remove water stains on your car body paint. So these are not the normal watermark stains, these are stains that is resulted from the leaking of your roof. If you have a concrete roof and it's leaking, over time this is what you will have, and normally people will need to polish it off, which will take a long time, or they use a very harsh piece of cloth and start rubbing it down. That's not good for your paint. So I'm going to show you an easy way that you can get this done in like 30 seconds. Alright, so the product we need to use is watermark remover, a piece of cloth and water. Make sure you wear gloves. Okay, just saturate it a bit. Put it on top. Alright, you can see it bubble a bit. And it's gone. Use some water, rinse it off, and wipe it dry. There you have it, guys. Less than 30 seconds job. I hope you learned something, and that's the end of this video. Pretty fast, right? Didn't expect that, right? But what I'm expecting is, please hit the subscribe, hit the like, and hit the bell button so you get notified on our next upload. Till then, I will see you again.